Yo, ebusuafo, yama makwa babiem eba the Fabulous Zone so. Aha dey say the munim no kuma asasa nkoko nsem kwa na twegu e wofiri we so. Mestre say we foforo na wo channel we ya na wa press the subscribe button na man. Uwi a na wa start press the notification bell. Say the bell you drop a video, you be the first person na unsa make video we. And assemble na say si kuma asante kotoko. Oh, and anti asempa, say asempo ye kwa yenu. Coach Maxwell Kunedu has been sacked from the club following the defeat to Great Olympics. Na same way na mind in same P aba adent na be mu say sack no anya de obobo team no hu say technical person bi teach or directing yoma nti amakoto koye ball na raw be mu say players na asa players na say this ball no ekoball mo we na koye twuma mentwe bebre ya management ekotena ase no otimu say decision on the by say Coach Maxwell Kunedu unfortunately on to mini club na nyedwuma biem ama o masak no enti we ni abobo aye di ne die akoma asante kotoko enne yaka ho asem aka anso ho a enna asem fu asa bebom aden our communications manager Moses Entry Benefo aka PJ Mose ono so ede ne resignation letter aba say ontumi nto akotoko edwuma so ina bo bia bi say kotoko no ede na esim things fall apart enema agye gu kotoko ana say de yehu no ente sa bibia ya under control na ya posa ye besrew de na ekoso club ni mu nchechire yimu na fans no mama say ayem hyehye de na ekọ kotoko first defeat of the season coach call this year communications manager Sanko one bim na eto aso mama enhye ne because team season a long way after about 4 matches 2 draws 1 win and 1 defeat and as sense we na AC into best stress say mo bobo mo den na match to ne mama na na aponsa ya Judy mo ncha sent to ne mama na say na ekone de isi ayenim the next person of the resignation at the aba. My year bomb said bibia whatever that's going on. Bibia beko ye said the beya kotoko besa fan into my party if ya. Me de me say she jingu ye she say just 1 defeat pen aba. Just 1 defeat and aba. But on the day no Olympics na ball no they deserve the win no munya no. Enti my year nyet say the bibi kese biesi. Players no mun kasa nchire mo no mo ball omu gina agopama so mun ko mo ball no. Na Ghana league one of the toughest league in Africa. Competition and no team biaya dey on home. Nti on hwe ma ma mehye ne sa. Na ye momode na ye makro bia suban na we mu no bia nim the Porcupine Warriors tag na die so no. Ye exhibit or pitch ne so. Nti e besre PJ Mose, we wish you well in your next endeavor. Be your person you bia and we wish you well. Thanks for your time for serving Kumasi and Kotoko. And Coach Maxwell so yeah we show well say bibia obeko bia no also be see you or kotoko is still kotoko bibia sign let's move forward let's push enter your Africa game any Al Hilal of Sudan and no enye easy game it woman stay focused na ya adwin na enko no so say the be betimi aden e move akọ the group stage anya sa na the we twe ka nyina be ma e be ma the spirit of the team e be ma down example say be ha adwin e bo say dampo boys the spirit of the bubble no and be killing the crowd and say na obia so na obehye bi enti Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye de dwumedie ni besi ande two unfortunate unfortunate news I see and na Makotoko fans ye di ho abobo Coach Maxwell Kunedu ya sack no and so PJ Mose as is popularly known no and also attending in the resignation enti ama ensem no aye bebre. Yo, ever munsia say na yen share the besi bia no don't forget say the bebremo e wo the Fabulous Zone. Na leave your comment wa dwen chire de ohia bia leave your comments na yen sa pepepe. Well, for Porcupines by Porcupines.